All right, Honors Algebra 2. This is Monday the 23rd. We're going to continue our lesson on 13.5 Law of Sines. I have included a copy of, in the posting, a copy of my notes for the three problems we're going to do today. And in order to try to keep the video short so they're quicker to download, I will not be doing all of the computational work. You'll be able to refer to my copy of my notes to see that if you need it. Okay. So let's take a look at what we got here, see what we remember. All right, we have a triangle here. We have angle B is 50, side B is 10, and side A is 12. Again, whenever we see an angle and a side opposite of it, that gives us the go-ahead to do law of sines. And we could set up the sine of 50 degrees over 10. And what could we find? Well, we could find angle A, sine of angle A over 12. Okay, we do our little cross multiplying, or my little trick of sliding things up. We end up working out that angle A is equal to the second sine of 12 times the sine of 50 over 10, giving us angle AB 67 degrees. Okay, now remember from geometry, your large angle always has to be opposite of your large side. So as you start to fill in parts to this thing, notice that 67 is bigger than 50. So as I put this in there, then that means 12 had better be bigger than 10, and it is. So I check that as I go, okay? Don't just wait till the end. Now once we have angle A to be 67, we can go ahead and subtract from 180, and we will get angle C to be 63. Now when I put angle C in here to be 63, I notice that I have a 50 degree angle that has a 10 opposite of it. I have a 67 degree angle that has a 12 opposite of it. The angle we just got was 63 is between those two. So what do we know about side C? We should get an answer between 10 and 12. So we'll see if we do. So for side C, I would go back and use my original combo of sine of 50 over 10, because I didn't round any of those. And I would set up sine of 63 over side C. And I'll let you check my work on my notes, but I got side C to be 11.6, which is between 10 and 12 like I was expecting it to be. Okay? Remember, you could pause these at any time and work and come back and play and check your work. Oh, the big thing today, forgot to mention this, and I should have in the beginning, is the original layout of information. This is the only thing we're looking at today. We were given side B is 50, side A is 10, and side A was 12. Well, that layout of that information is a side, and an angle. We're doing all side angles today. Okay? Of course, we always read this from left to right as side angle. We do not read it the other direction, and you can see why.